Welcome back, everyone. Yeah, it's been a minute. I've been gone, spring break and all that, but Crypto Big Boss is back. And we're coming back with a vengeance. You guys aren't subscribers to this channel, please like and subscribe. You come here to get the skinny on the good stuff, on things that could potentially be great investments, and we've got something special for you today. Today I want to talk to you about Mina. Some people call it Mina. And let me tell you, this thing's been popping off. It's sitting up here with a market cap of 1.4 billion, and it has a lot of volume, and it has been moving pretty rapidly. As much as 18% in the last 24 hours. Oh my goodness, 19%. Sitting at a frothy $3.29. That's just on the day. Over the last 7 days, this thing has been on fire. You can see that it was down there in the $2.64 range, and now this thing is breaking into some serious territory up here at $3.23. But we're not going to get all bent out of shape over the increase in price. I want to talk to you about why this might be a superstar. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Let's get over there to the actual website and just look at some things, and then I'm going to give you some commentary about what we're looking at. It says Mina is building the privacy and security layer for Web 3.0. We are the world's lightest blockchain powered by participants. Using zero-knowledge technology, Mina is creating the infrastructure for the secure, democratic future we all deserve. Build on Mina with ZK apps, smart contracts powered by zero-knowledge proofs. The SDK based on TypeScript will be available soon. Okay? And then you can sign up here to be notified about this software development kit for those people who don't know what that is. So it's sitting up here. Mina blockchain is 22 kilobytes. Other blockchains is 300 gigabytes. Then it starts talking about your own data. Users today are compelled to hand over their data to centralized entities in order to participate in the modern world. But Mina's ZK app, smart contracts powered by zero-knowledge proofs, keeps users in control of their privacy by validating and sharing proofs of their data rather than data itself. Think about getting a loan by simply sharing a proof of your personal ID and credit score rather than the data itself. No risk of your personal information being hacked or sold. You are the only one owning your data, and it never leaves your device. Folks, I'm going to stop right here. You know, there was an attack on privacy coins in 2021. You may have noticed while I was reading through the write-up about Mina, I kept putting the word proofs after they say zero knowledge. That comes from my familiarity with Zcash. Okay, so they're calling it by validating and sharing proofs. It's the same technology that's underneath Zcash. This is something that I have believed for years is going to become probably the most valuable thing underneath any blockchain. The actual idea that we want to keep our information private and secure. Bitcoin's blockchain is not private and secure. Ethereum's blockchain is not private and secure. Things like Dash, things like Zcash and Monero, they are the ones leading the pack with regards to providing privacy coin capability. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, like it was Christmas in April, here comes Mina Coin exploding. Now, I'm sure there's plenty of people who knew about this, but the idea that they have smart contract capability out of the box, getting ready to be afforded to developers to allow them to build their apps on top of zero-knowledge proof technology and do it in short order, affording their customers the privacy and security around their data when they make transactions. Folks, this is explosive. It's like having Zcash with a software development kit on top of it. There's no way that this is not a winner. It's absolutely, beyond a shadow of a doubt, something that we're going to need in the future. Imagine that you don't want your data compromised. You don't want your social security number out here for everybody to have. You don't want everybody to know your mailing address. You don't want everybody to know your name, your weight, your age, and every car accident you were in, because they can look it up once they got things like your birthday and your social security number. This is the kind of thing that privacy blockchains can give us. The idea that a transaction can be closed with minimal amounts of data and then actually allow you to get that product, that good, that service. So I am going to tip my hat on this one and say, folks, I am ready for Mina Coin to show us something serious. Let's look at the whole chart. It's been up and down and up and down. If you have been a subscriber to this channel since 2019, you might have heard me say once or twice that, the truth be told, I believe that Zcash will one day rival Bitcoin. And I know people think that that's a crazy prediction, but it's either one of two things is going to happen. Either Bitcoin's going to have to add some privacy capability to it, or one of these privacy coins is going to rise like a phoenix, and it's going to be something serious, and a lot of big time institutional investors and corporations are going to utilize the blockchains that have this kind of privacy and ZK Snarks type capability. So as we look at this thing at $3.23 and see that it's been as high as $6.20, folks, I want you to sit down and I want you to think about what I'm going to say. One day, I don't know when, but it won't be very long from now. This might be hard for people to comprehend. I am predicting a $22 Mina coin. That's right, folks. And I don't mean 10 years from now. I mean within the next 2 to 3 years, I can see Mina coin going as high as $22, possibly $24. So if you've enjoyed this video, I hope that you, if you're not a subscriber, that you will go ahead and like and subscribe. I love making this content. I love bringing people in on things that could possibly help them. We have to tell you guys that this is not investment advice, but I will tell you this is sound research. You saw it, I saw it. Think about what the underlying things you may have learned from this video. Share it with your friends. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is Crypto Big Boss. I'll catch you guys on the next one.